Welcome to part 2 of the new song Rocky Mountain. Part 2, the second half sounds like this. D, F sharp, A, B. Okay, let's try it. B might echo. D, F sharp, A, go. Try it again. Ready, go. Okay, now we're going to add a B at the end. Listen. D, F sharp, A, B. Try it again. 2, ready, play. Good. The next part is this. F sharp, E, D, E. Try that, go. Try it again. F sharp. One more time, go. Okay, let's try from here. D, F sharp, A, B. F sharp, E, D, E. Go. Fabulous. Next part sounds like this. B might echo. D, F sharp, A, B. One more time. D, F sharp, A, B. And then F sharp, E, E, D. Go. Okay, let's put those parts together. We learned the whole song. Good for you. Starting here, D, F sharp, A, B. Ready, here you go now. Circle, repeat, go. F sharp, E, E, D. All right, pause and practice that if you need to. We're going to try the entire song from beginning to end. So remember our beginning from the part 1 video, D, 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 F, D, 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 F, ready, whole song, here we go now. Circle and set. One and circle go. Way to go. Thanks for trying this advanced level song. Keep up the good work.